Welcome, in front of me is a Denver SDQ, and today I will show you how to boot the device into factory mode. So to get started, let's hold power key, select power off, and wait for the device to shut off. And once it has, you then want to begin holding power key and volume down, both of them at the same time. And when you see the, I believe, Android logo, you will let go of power key. You can see let go of power, and you are now in the factory mode. So in this mode, using only volume down, you will navigate. Volume up does nothing, as you can see. And if you want to cycle through, you just have to go straight to the down, all the way down, and then keep going, and we'll go back up. And from here, you can test the different components of the device, either automatically or manually. You can basically reboot the device, format the device, and well, reboot is also here. And whatever you select, so if I want to reboot the device, I will select the last option. Testing, I believe automatic ones are the first one, testing manually is the one below that, and then clear eMMC, or the third from the bottom option with the eMMC is the reset. But yeah, selecting the last one to reboot, I'm going to then confirm it with power key, whatever the option is selected. You'll see rebooting, and this will take me back to the Android. And you can see that we're now back. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.